Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now on this channel, I do like DIY stuff, things that you can make at home, crafts. So I recently got into cement crafts and I just wanted to take you guys along with me like on my journey. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the first time I ever, worked with cement and stuff. So I just want this video to be like a progress kind of video for myself as well, so that I can go back and look back and say, oh, this is where I started from. So this is not a tutorial. From time to time I'm just going to be telling you guys like things I learned, so you're going to be hearing my voice like once in a while, not like all through the whole video basically. Now guys, when I was learning about this, we were told you have to put 4 parts cement and 1 part water. Now what I've unlearned that part. So what I actually learned is that you can actually do it based on your own preferred consistency. So once you're adding your water, don't add too much, like don't add too much at once. So just be pouring it like little by little, then mix. If it's too thick for you, you add. Then the thicker your mixture is, the faster it's going to dry, and I think the stronger it's going to be. But don't let it be too thick. Like don't let it be too thick. It should be like a pancake batter, mixture basically. And then the more liquid your mixture is, the longer it's going to use to set, and the more likely it is to actually break. So do you guys get? So just make it a pancake batter. Here I was just like experimenting like different consistencies to know exactly what works for me.
Versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Now once you pour it in your mold, you're going to tap it. I would advise you to tap at least 2 minutes, like for at least 2 minutes. Tap it all around so that the air bubbles would come out. Don't tap it for just like 20 seconds, because you might be missing out on some key air bubbles that are inside.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit.
So guys, some videos will tell you that after 3 hours you can actually demold your pieces. Guys, don't follow that, or test it out. Test out your cement. Not all cements work that way. Some you have to leave them overnight before you can like demold them. So in this, I actually waited 3 hours thinking, okay, let's see how it's gonna be. So after 3 hours it was already looking like this, and then I said, okay, let me try and demold some of them.
Thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired.
So guys, once I started demolding, can you guys see? It's broke. Like it's broke into pieces, and then I had to, like, since it was still really really soft, I decided to like do it again. So I took the cement itself, like the less hardened, like what I'm doing basically, and I added water to do it again. So that's basically how I did it again, and it actually turned out really really okay.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Now guys, this is it left overnight, so I'm going to demold it for you guys to see.
Yo, I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's
And guys, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see the color? So cement lightens up as time goes on. So as the days go by, it's going to lighten up. Not necessarily white, but it's going to lighten up than what it is right now. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to sand the bottom so that it can be like leveled and there will be no sharp corners basically. So that's why I'm using my sandpaper to like sand it on the bottom. So I'm going to demold the others. Now in this one, I have a crack basically. So it's cute, but there's a crack basically. So I have to just like either manage it. You know, it actually turned out really nice, really, really nice. So I actually liked it. Now the cover of this jar is very 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 delicate. It's so funny that the first one I ever did, which was this, actually came out intact. Every single one I've done after that has always broken at that ball part at the top. Like, I don't know how it happened. I don't know why. Every single one has been breaking at that top part. So with this being my first time, I was really really proud of myself that it didn't even like break basically. Like, look at it. I'm just going to sand it a little and, you know, just put it on its corresponding jar.
we're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
guys, this is basically what it looks like. It actually turned out really, really nice. I love my first attempt. My first attempt was, though a bit disastrous in the beginning, but it turned out really, really amazing. In my next cement video, I'm going to show you guys how I added color. So we'll see how that, worked out. So watch out for that video. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I post any video. Like this video, share within and outside your circle. Comment in the comment section if you have like any questions for me. I'll be ready to answer you. That's it guys for this. Until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.